Hi girls, this is Shaila. I'm back with another tutorial. I'm going to do this very simple summer night outlook, and this is going to be the eye today. It's not much, just the color that I am wearing and with the pop of color in the center, but it is very simple to achieve, just like I do all the looks which I think are easier to follow for everyone. So the first step to do, which I always do, is like getting something in the crease to darken it. The palette that I am using today is by Viseart, this palette in here, and this is VPE01 Natural Mattes, and I'm going to take this color here, tap off the excess on a brush like this. Any brush will do. You can get from MAC, Morphe, Sigma. Morphe brushes I really like. So I am only darkening the crease a little bit, which will give it a demarcation as where to start and where to stop, and a bit of it goes under as well. Taking a Morphe white pencil, and I'm going to line my lower waterline. It will give a very open look to the eye, as I have small eyes, so I always need that. I need to create as a base for my shadow to stick. Using Too Faced chocolate matte eyeshadows, these ones, I think they create impeccable base. Flat brush like this, any flat brush will do, and blend out around the edges. I will take this brush and will take this color into the crease, and then I will go down and blend it out. Created an impeccable base, and on this base we will be applying the shadow to stick properly, and it will last for hours. Now I will take this dark chocolate brown color from here on the shadow, and like this I am going to apply it in the on the lid, on all of the lid. And most of the shadow will be along the crease line, and then as I go up it will definitely lighten up. So most of the shadow stays here. If you want, you can leave this eye here, totally up to you. If you want no pop of color, because, and then taking a peach shade from this palette here, tap off the excess and go under the eyebrows. What it instantly does, gives a lift to the eyebrows. And then I will go with the same in the inner corner. Can be two next steps. We can either go ahead with the application of the glitter in the center, or what we can do is that we will take this Pat McGrath liner and I will go along the lash line, pointed brush like this, and then you will blend out. What I do, I will pull it a little bit, and then I will, and to blend out the liner a bit more, I will take this and I will take this charcoal gray black color on the brush, and then I will blend it out again. And we will take a glitter shadow. You can use Stila. This is by Pixi, very affordable. Take this, and then we are going exactly in the center up to the crease, stop, and do the same along the lower lash line like this. This instantly looks amazing. I will take flat brush like this, and then I will try to spread out like this. It looks like this now. I found this green to be very beautiful, so I decided to give a pop of this green in my shadow like this. I'm only using it on the top, not on the lower part, leaving the lower part like that. You will take this brush and you will see in the close-up mirror, do you want it any less, any more? we want to blend out along the corners like this. In my opinion, it looks pretty good, but I need a bit more of the glitter in here. Again blend it out, again blend it out. To use a new mascara, which is by Huda Beauty. I have been dying to try it, Legit Lashes. It has two wands. So the one wand that it works, wand number 1, it is for curling the lashes. It is coating each and every lash very well. This is how the lashes look after one coat. Volumizing one, it will further thicken. It has a wand like this. I find it has an amazing lengthening effect too. To highlight the inner corner, I am going to use Charlotte Tilbury Champagne Diamonds. It has to be my favorite. Done. So girls, this is the finished look of today's makeup. I hope you learned a thing or two and you got an idea how to do different looks, and this is how the eyes look at the moment. And if you have any questions regarding the look, I am here always. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all. Follow me on my platforms.